Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you what is our Chrome extension for Tally integration and how you can use it. So first of all, you need to install the Chrome extension from Chrome Web Store. So as here I have already added it. So what I will do, I will open this particular Chrome extension. So this is our Chrome extension which is used for Tally integration. So what you need to do in this, and how it is used. So here, first of all, it will ask localhost, port number. These all details are from Tally. Check TDL and duplicate vouchers. It will be used to check if any duplicate vouchers have already been pushed, then it will provide you an update that this have already been pushed, a notification kind of thing. So this local host and port number will get changed if you are using any other Tally, or your Tally's port number is different, or you are using a cloud Tally. So in this case, this here IP address will get added. To get the IP address, please reach us on our support chat and we will raise a ticket to get this added. Now, update TranZact status is used to update the vouchers TranZact status, that is cancelled or that is approved, or if the Tally integration have happened but accordingly the vouchers have not moved in the approved state. So you can use this particular feature to update it over TranZact. Now here it will ask you to, are you using a Tally Prime? So you can select it. If you are using a Tally Prime, click on yes. If not, click on no. So if I click on yes, it will ask me for the company name in the very first. So always remember that please keep the company name same as Tally. Whatever the company name is being displayed in Tally, please keep the same, otherwise it will give you error. Now then you need to click on continue. Once you will click on continue, it will just provide you an option to upload the file, the report file which you have downloaded from TranZact. Just upload this file and then after you can select the document type from here. Either that is a purchase voucher, sales voucher, receipt voucher, payment voucher, and accordingly you will get the validate option over here after selection. Click on validate and then after the particular integration will happen. Once you will go ahead, so here the login ID and password will be asked, that should be of TranZact itself. Please use that particular email ID and password which you are using on TranZact to login. It will ask login for the very first time, then after it will be automated. Once you will click on yes, the login will happen automatically. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you while using this Chrome extension. Have a good day ahead.